We were basically into the insulation,
Yes.
sound deadening, noise reduction, and lately now we've launched some more products in the case of the pre-insulated roofing also, which also acts as a insulation.
What new solutions
It's
you are showcasing?
it's a product. It's a metallized with PIR. I'll show you the product. So Dina, this is the product that we have, which is widely now being used in the poultry farms, in the fisheries, in the food fooding warehouses. So this basically doesn't let any heat penetrate down, so it keeps a very ambient temperature. Then lately we set up a pipe support systems, and we also now won the barriers, sound barriers. So we are in the insulation. We are the only company doing EPDM insulation as well.
So, what are the products which support the green certifications?
Green certification is only EPDM. Nothing else.
Nothing else.
Because EPDM is one good polymer that it is environmental friendly, sustainable, doesn't emit any toxicity when burnt, and then gels with the soil and becomes a manure. Okay, if you see 100% of the cars are having all EPDM on their ceiling system. So this is one wonder product we had introduced 7-8 years ago, but since it's expensive, we are finding a tough time marketing. Right from fire to FM to BIS,
Okay.
all certifications, our product have been tested, and we have a regular visit from the laboratories abroad. Plus we have our own NABL accredited lab where these new products are developed and being tested. So that is.
Where is your lab situated?
Lab is, we have built a polymer park in a 40-acre land,
Okay.
near Delhi, near Bawal. If you Google ALP Polymer Park, you would get complete details of the polymer park and also a drive-in to see what the park is. It is the most sustainable green park, got 4 diamonds, and has no emission in terms of the generators, no generators at all.
Oh,
It has its own power distribution, 20 megawatt,
church.
and we do not throw any scrap. All scraps are crushed, consumed into make various products which are being exported abroad. And even we buy about 500 tons of the tire scrap from tire companies, and we convert them into the various products and export to US. We have evolved every product with our own innovation. If the EPDM ceiling, or if you see the installation, all the Thar, 100% Thar vehicles that are moving has got our hard top on top of it. We are the only suppliers, manufacturers to Maruti, to Mahindras.
Okay.
And we have got, very many trusts to our credit. You see, sustainability, for the sake of it, practices, we, like I said, that we do not throw anything outside. Whatever is the scrap, it gets into the making of these finished products. And even all we have STP, ETP in-house. All discharges that whatever are there are used as a manure or into watering of the plants. We are almost 80% in the automobile. All cars will have ceiling systems of ALP. Data center, of course, our insulation goes wide into data centers. They go to hospitals, they go to pharma sector, they go to the industrial. And now the new launches, what we are doing, will also cover up the clean rooms and the pre-insulated buildings. So all that. You see, I don't say there are any trends. I think there's a way. It's become a commodity and a very competitive market.
Okay.
And if you want to introduce the technology, it's very difficult.
correct.
because it's a very high price. So that means it has become a commodity market now. All insulation market is like that. Whosoever is giving cheaper is best. That's what the thought is.